Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create text behind person in CapCut PC. So select your video you want to edit and just going to add text, select text, type text on you, or you can add a text template. Going to select text template and select this and just for the duration until the end of the video. Resize and after done you can export. Tap on export button in the top right corner, just tap export, just waiting for the exporting. And then just delete the project, go to media and import. That's created. So here's the created. Drag to the track and in the original video make it as an overlay, put on top video, and then just going to cut out, select auto cut, waiting the processing, and here we go. Sorry. That's how to create behind text behind person in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment.